Okay, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sorry, could you repeat again, please?
Okay, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes. My name is Ji-hoon Kim, and I'm 27 years old. And I used to work at a restaurant as a cook, and now I'm learning English skills for my future. That I want to go abroad, so I want to have abilities to understand foreigners speaking. But I don't want a amount of skills. Just I want to talk to each other and conversation. And that's it.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. Especially I like traveling because I can feel free, and I can meet many people, and actually, especially I like eat foods in the local area. My most memorable travel was before I go to army. Military service. I traveled with my friends we've known that each other from middle school students. Middle school. We didn't have any plan. We just went around Korea. We started to go. We went to Gangwon-do, and then we moved to Seoul, and then we moved to went around Korea. That's it.
What kind of music do you enjoy most?
What kind of music? Actually, I like I prefer rhythmical music, like dance or electronic, because when I listen to that kind of music, I feel more exciting, and I think it's better. It makes me more. It gave me to more powerful energy. Yes, energy. Yes, that's it. Yeah.
Do you often go to the theater?
Yes. No, not really, because 4 years ago, when I had a girlfriend, we used to go to theater a few times in a week. But nowadays, I don't have anyone to go through there with. So yeah, sometimes I went to I go to theater alone, but I didn't get used to it, so I want to, yes. So I don't go theater quite often.
Did you talk to people whom you meet for the first time? Would you talk to people
Yes.
whom you meet for the first time?
Sorry, I don't get it. I didn't get it. Could you explain?
Okay, next question. Why is breakfast important?
Breakfast. I'm a person who eat breakfast. Who think breakfast is important because we have only 3 chances to have meals in a day, so it should be regular to have some energy. And then if some people don't eat breakfast, they will eat lots of things in the lunch, at lunch. So that's why I think it's important to have breakfast regularly.
And does your family always treat you as a child?
Child? Yes, definitely. My mom always called me to ask me hello. Maybe 3 to 5 times a day, and always ask me, did you have lunch, or did you have meal, did you have dinner, and are you okay? And then I think even if I'm 15 or 14, she would call me many times in a day. I think it's not. It won't be changed. Yes, that's it.
Okay. What can you see outside your window?
Can you see outside my window?
Your window.
Does that mean? Does it mean my window?
Your window.
To sit some. Here we go. My window. Oh, it's quite interesting questions. My window. My window. So that I get it. So could you repeat the question, please?
Okay. What can you see outside your window?
My window. Anything. Anything.
I don't know.
If I have a window in my room,
I don't know.
Can you see?
Okay, next question.
Yes.
Describe something that makes you healthy and which you wanted to recommend to others. You should say, what is it? When did you start to do it? Who you will do it with? And why is it good for your healthy? Describe something that makes you healthy
Healthy.
and recommend to others.
Should.
Okay. Describe something that makes you happy
Yes.
and you wanted to recommend it to others.
Oh yes. Yes. I recommend vitamins in the morning after you have breakfast, because I think we should get all vitamins, vitamins that we needed per day, but we can get it from the foods. So I also have vitamins in the morning per day. So I want to recommend you to have vitamins in the morning.
And when did you start to do it? When did you start to do it?
Oh yes. Actually, I didn't think my bodies when I was young, but I was getting old, and I think I need to check my bodies. I need to help my body. So maybe after the military service, when I was 23 years old.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.